Here's a new 2018 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.